to accept it, the acceptance. Okay, there is a difference between acceptance and controlling or usko daba ke rakhna. Okay, it's there and it's like closing the book and pushing it inside the cupboard, or you open and face the condition. Okay, so I'm all assuming all of us are trying to face it together, and if we take 10% of the workshop also, and the workshop is fulfilled. Right, so before we start anything, we will condition ourselves for the next 3 hours. We'll have small breaks. Okay, but try to stay away from your mobile, try to stay away from talking to someone else. These 3 hours is for you. You are not a parent, you are not a father, you are not a mother, you are Ashutosh is Ashutosh, Anubaji is Anubaji. Okay, you are working for yourself. No one else matters in this. This is about being, this is working out for yourself, not for anyone else. Okay, we'll condition that way. We'll close our eyes, relax our shoulders. Okay, the face is totally calm. You can sit on the chair, on the bed, on the mat. The most important thing is you are absolutely relaxed. Condition yourself for the class. Hands in Namaste in the center of the chest. One round of Omkar together. Take a deep breath. Vande Gurunam Charana Ravinde Sandarshita Swatma Sukhavabodhe Nishreyase Jangalika Yamane Samsara Hala Hala Moha Shante Abahu Purushakaram Shankachakra Siddharinam Sahasra Shir Samshvetam Pranamami Patanjalim Pranamami Patanjalim Pranamami Patanjalim. Gently, we open our eyes, slowly. All right, we welcome you, and I'll be starting with the asanas, pranayams. Asanas, pranayam, just try to understand, okay? Instead, or you can take notes after the class, especially for this session. If there is any problem, you can always message and ask, and I can send you the particular videos. So try more to learn and practice with our demonstrator, okay? Then you can take notes in the second 2 halves. You're getting this? All right, so we will start. Okay, those who are comfortable on the mat, let's sit all of us on the chair first. Let's start with around 15-20 minutes of our chair yoga. Okay, so this is for those who are, there were some questions, what if we are working, our working hours are like little different, early in the morning, we are not able to move. You can come little aage if you want. I hope you're able to see us. Okay, so this is something, chair, we didn't have a chair with an armrest. If you have a chair with an armrest, nothing like it. Okay, and I think all of us will be comfortable in the chair, barabar. All right, China can use a chair. Now, the first and foremost, we'll keep both the hands on the above the thigh. Relax the shoulders. Keep your legs as comfortable as possible. Again, we close our eyes gently and just focus on your breath. जैसा आपका breath है ना, Without any manipulation, कोई भी manipulation के बिना, जैसा आप हो वैसा just accept yourself. Just focus on your inhale. आप कैसा inhale exhale कर रहे हैं, just focus on that. 5-6 inhale exhale के आसपास. We inhale and we exhale. Absolutely free of any kind of stress. Once we are ready, slowly we'll open our eyes. Okay, chin is relaxed, neck is relaxed. We will first use with the organ which gets to disturb a little bit our eyesight. Okay, I hope you're able to see me. Okay, let me do the eyesight here, then the second one you can do so that I can see properly with the specs. All right, okay, so when we are here and the eyeballs, don't move your neck, just there's little exercise of the eyeballs. You just look at the extreme right corner, extreme right, without moving. Come back in the center, move to the extreme left, as if you want to see what is there at the extreme left corner with the eyes only. Come back in the center, one more round to the extreme right. Come back in the center, one round to the extreme left. Ease your neck. We come back in the center, then you look up. Look in between your two eyebrows, or as if you want to look at the sky or the ceiling without moving your neck, only the eyes. And we come back down, look at the tip of your nose. 3 basic directions are more than enough to keep your eye muscles active. Come back in the center. One more round. I'm assuming that all of us are good with English. Okay, there were a few of us who were not comfortable, but they are now right. Okay, now one more round. Right side पे हम देखेंगे, right corner पे. Come back आगे. Left corner. Come back. ऊपर की तरफ. In between दोनों अग्न्या चक्रा, आपकी दोनों eyebrows के बीच में, without moving the neck. Come down at the tip of your nose and come back in the center. आप दोनों आंखें को squeeze करें. Squeeze your eyes. Only the eyes and open. Squeeze your eyes. दोनों आंखें को squeeze करें and open. Squeeze again and open and relax. इतना ही आप रोज का एक एक दो बार करें. More than enough for your eyes. त्राटक कर सकते हैं आप, कैंडल गेजिंग कर सकते हैं, उसका वीडियोस हम शेयर करेंगे. ओके, कैंडल गेजिंग इज लिटिल अनफॉर्चुनेटली वर्चुअल पे हमने प्रैक्टिस करना, इट वाज लिटिल डिफिकल्ट. ठीक है ना. सो हाउ टू प्रैक्टिस वेरी सेफली, आई विल सेंड यू द वीडियो फॉर त्राटक एंड कैंडल गेजिंग. ओके, आउट ऑफ दिस 3 एक्सरसाइज, ये तीनों एक्सरसाइज के बीच में कोई भी एक्सरसाइज आप कर सकते हैं एवरी डे विदाउट फेल. ऑलराइट, नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द नेक. हमारे नेक के कोई ऐसा मसल है जो पूरा दिन में हम वी फॉरगेट टू मूव. नेक इज द मोस्ट मूवेबल पार्ट, बट हम थोड़ा मूव करना भूल जाते हैं. नेक, व्हेनेवर यू आर मूविंग द नेक, आपके ये दोनों शोल्डर्स, इफ यू आर अ पर्सन हु इज लिटिल एंशियस, ओके, ये दोनों शोल्डर्स का मूव होना, मतलब sometimes you move a lot of the shoulders. Okay, shoulders को बिल्कुल रिलैक्स करके आप सेंटर में इनहेल करेंगे. exhale, look at the right side, far right, as far as you can, जितना far देख सके. shoulder बिल्कुल relax. inhaling, come back in the center. exhale, look at the far left. inhaling, come back in the center. exhale, one more round on the right side. We come back in the center, inhaling, exhale to the left. Okay, we cover these muscles. We come back in the center and look up. Take the chin up, open your throat, feel that. Okay, once you're here, agar aap comfortable ho, then only open your mouth. अगर कंफर्टेबल नहीं है तो माउथ बंद रखे, अदरवाइज ओपन योर माउथ लाउड एंड क्लोज. Open your mouth loud and close. One more round. Open your mouth loud and close. Slowly नीचे chin को chest की तरफ. Touch your chin to the chest and come back in the center. Inhaling and relax. Easy. Okay, we'll combine all the posture. Okay, in the center, inhaling. Exhale, turn on the right side. Inhale, we come in the center. Exhale, left ki taraf. Inhale, come back in the center. Exhale, look up. Open your mouth loud and close. Open and close. Gently open again and close. Slowly come down. Touch the chin to the chest without opening your mouth. धीरे से हम सेंटर में आएंगे and stay here. All right. Now हम right तरफ घूमते हैं towards the right and look at the right shoulder. आप right shoulder की तरफ देखिए और अपने chin को touch the chin to the right shoulder and chin को touch करते 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 take it to the chest in the center. Chin को touch करते करते take it to the chest in the center. Slowly chin को rotate करके take it to the left side. Slowly, 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 and look at the left shoulder. Eyes खुला रखे. Don't close the eye. Come back in the center again. One round and turn to the other side. Easy. Okay. Only half so that you don't feel dizzy or anything like that. Okay. You can repeat this. We are just waking up. I'm saying hello to my neck. Just understand, these are Laghu Sukshma Vyayam, like, you know, simple stretches. Okay, morning, aapke body was not ready, but you just start going up, brush, and fatapat khana wana khake, you go into the office. Our body was not ready. Okay, so I always tell the students in the class that 90% of heart attack happens in the morning in the bathroom. Because hum ready nahi the and we just tell our body, chalo, like, you know, very mechanically. So this is a very good way of what do you call, waking up, saying good morning to this thing. So there's a story which I would like to share, which was like, I really like this story. Gyani Jail Singh, our president, okay, he had come, वो एक institute पे आया, हमारे institute पे, he had come to visit. Okay, I'm just assuming that my Hindi is little broken, so all right. So so he said that he told Hansal ji and Yogendra ji and all our gurus and this thing is that I'm not a yoga practitioner. मैं नहीं practice करता हूँ, थोड़ा walk पे जाता हूँ and all this stuff. But एक चीज, in the morning what I do when I go to take bath, okay, I talk to all my body parts. I talk to them. My little fingers, how are you? Okay, my toes, how are you? How are you, my nose? You know, he used to pay attention to each part. Okay, that is one thing. That was my, I think, second or third day of my day at the institute, and it just gave me a good impact, like, you know, how to take care of ourselves. Okay, very simple. All right. Now, neck ka ho gaya. There was some tip Ajinkya sir just gave before the starting of the practice. The two upper teeth and lower. Okay, just touch and out, touch and out. 2 up, 3 up, not so loud. 4 up, 5 up, 6 up, 7 up, 8 up, 9 up, and 10. Simple, all doable. You're just keeping these also again active. All right. Okay, nothing out of the book, which we have been doing. Our body tells us what it requires, but and I have just made a list so that we can go a little systematically. अगर नहीं तो 3 घंटा पूरा आसन का ही हो जाएगा. All right. Okay. Now let's take both hands out. Okay. He'll take both hands out. We're sitting on the chair, wherever you feel comfortable. Okay. All the fingertips. Okay. Open. These are the extremities. जो थोड़ा numbness, blood circulation के लिए पूरा we open. Stay here. And जैसा है वैसा just take it down. Yes. take it up again, shoulder relax everyone, okay, shoulder ne kuch nahi kiya hai, and go down, relax the shoulder, one more round, go up. यहाँ से हम धीरे से इसको close करेंगे, little bit, and again you say hi to your wrist, okay, rotate and rotate, absolutely without any hassle. We are here and दोनों हाथ को interlock करें, okay, I'm the nearer view, he is the little bigger view, okay, and take the hands in the center and turn it out, pull yourself, okay, and one more round, take it in as it is and turn it out. Turn it out. In the third one, you might find little, okay, we are working on all the tricep, bicep, all the muscles of our arms. Come back one more round and I take it out and turn it out. We're getting this. One more round for the last time. I take it in and turn it out. We take it up. Someone is pulling you from the sky, but my hands are straight, but my shoulders are towards the gravity. That's very important, okay? Shoulders are towards the gravity, just my hands are straight. All right, let's open the lateral side, slide down the right side. Everybody, chin relax, all right? Chin relax. Inhaling, come back in the center. Nice, Gautam. Gautam, make the hands little more straighter, make it more active. Yes, like a go back on the other side. Exhaling. Very nice. आपके कान और हाथ साथ में parallel it will go. Come back in the center, inhaling. One more round. Exhale on the side. You have to feel all these points, okay? Come back in the center. Exhale to the left side. We are good. We come back in the center. Pull yourself up towards the sky again. Twist on the right side. Come back in the center. Twist on the left side. We come back in the center. One more round. Twist on the right side. Come back in the center. Twist to the left side. And come back in the center. Remove both the hands and relax. Okay, for our extremities, for our hands to become active, this much is all right. These are all our warm-up. Okay, we twisted the spine also. Okay, now let's do something about our stomach. Okay, and what we do is come little aage, थोड़ा सा आगे, not on the tip, you just in the center of your chair. Okay, and take the right leg up. Just see if I do one participant. Someone is still trying to log in. Okay, so I'm here. I'm sitting at the tip, and I tried taking the leg up if you are comfortable, and gently pull it in, pointing my toes. Okay, you will tend to do this if you are struggling. Pull the shoulder down. जितना होता है उतना. But आप इसको ऐसा जबरदस्ती नहीं करेंगे. Okay, जितना आपकी breath allow करे उतना pull करना है. No fighting with your body. Pawan Muktasan. All right, and gently go down. You okay? Anubha ji is comfortable? All right, left leg up and pull it in. Again, Pawan Muktasan. This we are doing on the chair, barabar. So I can also stand up and do the same thing. So if any of you want to do it standing up, you can do this. Okay, it's one of the best for your digestive system, for your liver, stomach, and your pancreas. Come up. I pull it in every day. So this is your good morning stomach. Good morning, my pancreas. Good morning, my liver. Right side. Come back down. And left. And come back down. If and only if you are comfortable, take both the legs up. If you are not, continue with one leg. Okay, we are moving around every day, so it's very easy for me. Sometimes it might be a little difficult for you. Okay, it's all right. Okay, and come back. One more round. Any participant? No. Okay, okay. One more round. Okay, right leg up and pull it in. Pawan Muktasan, we call this. Okay, and it's like squeezing. Okay, go back down and hopefully take that. You can go a little back if you want. And take the other leg up. Okay, and pointing the toes is it gives you more effect. You can curl the toes also, but most of the time better if you're doing on a chair. All of this till now what you have been practicing, you can practice sitting on the chair during the office hour. Okay, little trick like your frequent meal, you're also doing frequent asana and come back. All right, now the third one is for the leg, for the extremities only. I want to take the leg up, straight up. Suppose taking the leg up is, and I want to catch my leg. Now, when you're trying to catch the leg, I assume half of you are little uncomfortable. Are we getting? That's why we got the dupatta. Anything available in the house. Okay, I got a swimming towel. Okay, take the dupatta and I take the leg up. Okay, taking the leg up, I'll show you from the side view. When I'm taking my leg up, I'm not pulling the leg. My hands, my shoulders are absolutely relaxed. Okay, I just want my leg to be straight without support for some time to complete the circulation. That's about it. Shoulder absolutely relaxed, don't get harassed. We're getting this? Kalpana, get this? Okay, we are here, everyone, and don't even pull or push, just be there. Okay, stay here, I forgot. We're here, and easy breath. Let's stay for 10 seconds. Okay, 10. Ashutosh can take a little higher. 9, straight full knee say if the knee is all right. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now what will we do? We will hold the dupatta with your right hand only. Relax your shoulder, pull the shoulder back in. All right, we are here. I'm just holding it. सिर्फ अपने right hand से मैं उसको hold कर रही हूँ. Left hand outside. We are getting this. Left hand outside. जितना आप comfortable हो, take this leg on the side. आपकी adductor muscle के लिए, inner thigh muscle के लिए, hip के लिए, okay? अगर आप comfortable हो, जितना comfortable हो, उतना ही लेके जाना है. And look at the left hand. Okay, आपका neck rotation भी हो गया, आपका leg थोड़ा सा. Gautam, how much you're comfortable, that much you take it out. If you're not comfortable, just be in the front only. We're getting this? Anand, you're okay? And we come back in the center and change the hand. Left hand से right को पकड़ेंगे and cross. Take this at this side and take that. How much as you can? No. Sitting here in front of me, just take it on the opposite side and take. जितना cross कर सके उतना cross. If you are not able to cross, simply take the leg up. I hope you are not confused. Rituraj is okay? And gently we drop the leg down. Okay? आपकी extremities के साथ साथ this is very good for your knees, your knee extension. Okay? Knee extension के लिए just a little kind of pull. Okay? Then the neck, the other side, let's do it, guys. Take the dupatta with both the hands. Our main intention is to keep the dupatta very little dhila so that shoulders is relaxed. I'm just holding it up without support. My only support is myself. Stay here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Both the side of the dupatta, the left hand is holding and right head out, left leg towards the side. And look at your right hand if possible. Stay here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back in the center and change and go to the other side. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Gently come down and relax. You can repeat this 2-3 times. All right. Just one side. Okay. Kijanda, she's not able to connect. Just talk to her. I'll do this. All right. We're getting this. Now, till he comes, let's just, there is one very unusual body part. That is your toes. Okay, so we had moved our fingers. Okay, just try moving the toes just like the way you have moved your fingers. Okay, I will take the leg up and I will just try to move only the toes. One toes out. Try moving, not the ankle, just the toes. Okay, just the toes. You feel little, helplessness. Okay, my toes are not moving as clear as my fingers. Okay, so you need to move your toes every day, maybe in this, like this. Okay, little bit, thoda sa toes ka movement, and then the ankle. Move, rotate your ankles. From the ankles, come to the knee joint and move only the knee joints. Simple, very simple, easy to understand. The toes, the ankle, and the knees. Out of these three, my toes are the most insensitive. Okay, so for me, what I do sometimes, I place all my fingers inside the toe and like crush it like this, so that my toes are more like, if you want to see a little, see, I put it like this. Okay, and then sometimes crush it. This helps. Okay, this is one trick given by our teacher Ravindra sir, which is very good for our toes. It hurts, you literally want to cry. Okay, but this keeps your toes alive. You might have heard of gangrene or blood circulation at the tip of the toes. This is one exercise. Okay, just trying to move the toes just like the way you are moving your, then the ankle, then the knees. We're getting this till here. Am I going too fast? Are you able to get it? Okay, there is one Madhviji who was not able to contain. All right. So now we will see if all of us are good in forward bending. The spine which we have warm up. Let's just check if you are good in forward bending. Okay. I'm again sitting little in the center of my chair. All right. I inhale in the center and just try to go down. How much as you can. Just going down. Come back up, inhaling. Exhale, go down. Come back up, inhaling. Exhale, go down. Suppose we are all comfortable in going down. आप अपने right hand को नीचे रखेंगे, touching the ground. Left hand को ऊपर लेके twist your spine. Twisting is from the spine, not from the neck. Stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop the hand down and left hand niche, right hand upar. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One more round. Right hand down, left hand up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left hand down and gently come back up and relax. Just a twisting with a forward bend. I was thinking maybe we might not be able to do, but I think everyone is doing good. Gautam, were you able to do it? Was your hand able to touch the ground? Can you just show your forward bend, please? All right, not bad, not bad. Anubaji? Not bad, Gautam. Okay, so just do the twist very completely. Okay, which will be, very nice. Okay, now we'll just repeat again and just try to follow the little change in the instruction. Okay, the same thing. I am at the tip. Let's all do it together. And सिर्फ आप instruction पे ध्यान दें. Inhaling, take a deep breath. Exhale, we go down. Right hand को नीचे रखें. Left hand up. आपके left side of the chest. Lift up the left side of the chest. Open your sternum. आपके जो rib cage है उसको open करें. Ease your neck. Okay. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Normal breath. 5. Gently come back. I take my hand down and the other hand up. Stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Gently come down. One more round. Left hand up. Open the left side of the chest up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left hand niche, right hand upar. Lift the right side of the chest up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently come down. Slowly hum niche. So what we are doing? Right side of the chest, left side of the chest. We are just providing lots of air inside. We are okay here? All good? Till here? Okay, I think all of us are doing quite well. What happened? Okay, no problem. I'll send her something. Okay, good. And chalo. Now there is something which is like you have heard people practicing warrior poses. Okay, so we can also practice warrior pose. Everything, सब कुछ आप chair पे बैठे बैठे कर सकते हैं. There is nothing which you cannot do. All right. Suppose हम warrior pose practice पहले एक बार देखेंगे, फिर उसके बाद साथ में practice करेंगे.
Preeti.
Yes.
Preeti, I'm not comfortable on the chair.
You're not comfortable on the chair. China, in our class there are many of us with high BP. Okay, so we don't want them to fall down or something like that. So on the chair it's safe for those who have high blood pressure also.
I can do it on the mat also, no?
You can do it on the mat, but what we will do? So you just take a note. It's okay. I will do something on the mat also. Okay, after this, just 1, 2, 3 posters. We are okay here? Or don't worry. Okay, all right. With the legs here, so you will just lift the ये left side को ये side turn करेंगे. Okay, and right side को थोड़ा सा ये side थोड़ा away from it. Okay, now अगर आप comfortable है तो फिर ये जो left leg है उसको straight. Are you ready? Nicely? Okay, see the feet and then take both hands out and look at the right index finger. अगर किसी को ये leg ऐसा straight करने में तकलीफ है तो आप ये leg को bend करके just सिर्फ turn on this side. We are getting this? Easy. It's a chair version of your warrior pose B. Okay, for the students who are here, yoga practitioners. Okay, come back down. Everybody comfortable? I think for Rituraj, Gautam, Anubha. Okay, the most important thing for there's another teaching from the teachers that we need to balance our front body weight with the upper body weight with the lower body weight. Okay, so if in case it is not proportionate, okay, and our stomach, the stomach is very important because there is no bone holding the fat. Okay, so all the thing comes on the lower back. So if you feel little uneasiness with the lower back, in this pose it's not harmful. Okay, the only thing you have to take care is do not stop taking your breath. The minute you stop taking your breath, it'll be little, you might get a cramp or something like that. But okay, let's all do it together. Leg out, left leg, right leg on the side, take it out. You're sitting at the tip of your chair and both the hands out. Stay here. Look at the index. Easy, relax your shoulder. I look at the right index, chest up, lift the sternum up and shoulder down. Okay, shoulder relax hai aapka, heart straight, chest up. Look at the right index finger. Stay there. Very strong hands. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Gently come back and take the leg back. We're getting this? Easy. I can see all of you are able to practice. Okay. And change the leg, the other side. Left leg, right leg out and the left side and come. This is also, understand that आपके दोनों inner thighs are going away from each other. Okay, and stay here. Shoulder pull down, both the hands in one line. Imagine कि आपकी left side पे एक mirror है, वो mirror पे आपको सिर्फ एक ही हाथ दिखाई देंगे. दोनों हाथ आपकी एक ही line पे. 1. Look at the left index finger. 2, 3, nice guys. 4, very nice pose. 5, गीता पीछे का जो हाथ है थोड़ा ऊपर करे, both the hands in the same line. 6, 7, 8, 9. Gently come down and relax. Come back and give yourself a nice side hug. We're good here? Okay. One last practice of the warrior pose. Other teachers will, I do not want to take more of your time. One last one, okay? Warrior pose practice so that you be little comfortable. And take the left leg at the back, right leg, take both the hands up, lift the chest up, and look at the right index. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Change the hand, go to the other side and look at the left index finger and stay here. 5, shoulder relax. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Gently come back and relax. Okay. Now, for those who are comfortable sitting on the mat, okay, I will give a quick, actually it was supposed to be only chair pose and the pranayam, but I wanted to share something because many of us are comfortable on the mat. जो मैट पे कंफर्टेबल है वो मैट पे आएंगे और मैं चेयर पे दिखाऊंगी. जो वो लोग मैट पे कर रहे हैं, चेयर वाले क्या करेंगे, we will give you the option, okay? And till now anybody can practice. जो भी हम लोग प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं, हाई बीपी वाले भी प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं, डायबिटीज, और if anyone has nerve palsy, you can practice this, no problem at all. Okay, now we're coming here. Ardha Masendrasana. This is a pose which I always wanted to share with all of you. Ardha Masendrasana, which is supposed to be one of the best pose for your diabetes. Okay, and we will share the simplest one. Okay, पहले sitting, for those who are sitting, we take the right leg in. Okay, and with the left hand hug the right knee. Can you show little slanted here? Little man, like that, and hug the right knee nicely. And this hand at the back, please try to keep it on your fingertips. आपको कोई इस पे, you will see that people are on the platform.
We need to be on the mat for this, or
if you are comfortable on the mat, you can do it. Otherwise, I'll show you the chair version also.
okay, cool.
All right. Okay, we are here and I'm here. So inhale, again the lifting of the chest. Okay, inhale, take a deep breath, exhale, twist. This is a simpler version of Ardha Masendrasana. All right, inhale, take a deep breath, exhale, twist. अगर आप आपके हाथ को कोई बहुत पीछे रखते हैं, okay, then you will be leaning. Okay, keeping the hand little nearer to the body, facilitate more space. We are getting this. Okay, so आपको अपना space see. Poonam, you can see this. खेल का हाथ जब नजदीक है ना, then the posture looks correct. Okay, now take the hand little away. Now you are leaning. Okay, it should not be like this. Your sternum, your chest should be active in the whole process. I want to twist my digestive system. Okay, anybody who has hernia or surgery, recent surgery, okay, if it is painful, not comfortable, you need not do this. All right, okay, but if you are comfortable, you can do it. Okay, we are here, inhaling, so let's practice. Take a deep breath, exhale, twist. Take a deep breath, exhale, twist. When I inhale, I create space inside my body. Exhale, I twist. When I inhale, take a deep breath, exhale and twist. Change the side. Iska little complicated version, again, I will send you on the video. Okay, this is something which everybody can practice. And the other side, with the right hand, you hug the left knee, turn this side, no, so they can see. Okay, and just twist nicely. So when you are inhaling, when you are turning now, you are not turning the neck, you are turning the chest, spine, twisting of the spine. जैसे आप कपड़े निचोड़ रहे हो, take a deep breath, all right, and twist, nice. And inhale, take a deep breath, exhale, twist, and gently come back in the center and relax. Okay, suppose we are not comfortable sitting down. Okay, I'm like on a chair, and if suppose I have a chair with an armrest, nothing like it. I didn't have with the armrest, so I'm just keeping my hand. Let me place it this side, feet parallel to each other. I'm keeping this here, the other side here. If it is an armrest, you can just catch on the armrest and just twist. So, Gautam, when you're twisting, no, just see the trick is I'm inhaling here. Okay, I inhale here and I'm very mindful. Exhale, twist. I stay here. You'll feel little short of breath. Okay, now inhale. जहाँ पे आप पहुँचे हो ना, वहाँ से take a deep breath. Exhale, twist. Do not hold your breath at any time. I don't want you to twist with the neck. We want you to twist with the spine. Both the legs will be still ahead. I'm twisting only the upper part of my body. And come back. We're getting this. And twist the other side. And stay. Done. So ये आप बैठे बैठे भी कर सकते हैं. Okay. This you will not understand, but spine का spine needs lots of oxygen. Okay. The oxidation of the spine is like you feel very, very fresh. Our regular practitioner, Juhi, Gayatri, Geeta, like you know, at Amy practitioner, China, Kalpana, who has come to learn. The day you practice Ashtanga Vinyasa, okay, you must be knowing how do you feel. For me, that's the best day. I walk in my office as if like, you know, I'm flying. Like, you know, but it's not magic. It's just that my body got lots of oxygen. After an exercise or any kind of workout, you should feel refreshed. It should not be tiring. You should feel refreshed. That's what, you know. So आप body को ऐसा body के साथ fight करके नहीं करना है. एकदम body के साथ, you have to be in what do you call, you have to go hand in hand with your body. Do not fight with your body. Okay, fighting the body in the sense ki this scale, my cousin used to fight with his body a lot. Okay, during these 5 months, both of us have learned a lot how to take along with the body. Just show an example how you fight with your body. Okay, come, yeah, come up. So I'll be telling him. I'm just an example so that you understand when you're practicing. I'll tell Khel will take the hands up today. Let's practice what do you call just normal brisk asana or anything. Okay, so ek padasana, anything. So he'll take the hand up, repose, but always all the time these shoulders used to be up, and he used to stop taking his breath. Okay, this. Okay, so jitna energy chahiye usse zyada chale gaye, and shoulder down. Shoulder से इसका posture का कुछ लेना देना नहीं है. Shoulder you can pull down, legs hands you can straighten up. Face should be always in savasana, and gently come down. Okay, so there is an example which will help you understand this concept is सबके घर पे शादी हुआ है, बराबर, cousin का शादी हुआ है, खुद का शादी हुआ है. Okay, और so shadi is something which you should enjoy. Okay, so we have Anand Ashani. Anand Ashani को लड्डू लाने के लिए मैंने ये दिया. I have given him work of giving Anand की बूंदी लड्डू लेके आना दिल्ली के सबसे अच्छा. Okay, so what Anand Ashani will do? He will rush out and, you know, Haldiram में जाएंगे, Ganguram में जाएंगे, you know, Agarwal sweets में जाएंगे. You know, he will go like this, and he will get the best laddu also. Okay, but by the time you come and give the laddu to us, you'll be so tired because you wanted to give such a good laddu that you didn't enjoy the process of getting the laddu. Okay, काम तो होना ही है, but आप laddu जो है आराम से भी जाके लेके आ सकते हैं with a calm mind and very composed. Believe me, that will be a better laddu. Okay, so you'll enjoy. So we don't enjoy the process of the wedding. So har shadi ke baad 2-3 members of the family will fall sick. Okay, they'll be so tired. Okay, another example is like for our Indian family, there was one kid in our teenagers class in the morning. He was like, ma'am, I cannot practice. मैं बोला क्या हुआ? So he's like, मैं छुट्टी पे गया था, अभी इगतपुरी गया था, बहुत थक गया हूँ. Okay, we go to a holiday and we come back and take 2 days more. Okay, holiday से आया थक गया है. So are we getting the whole concept? So your practice is supposed to make you happy and, like, you know, so stop fighting with yourself. Just practice with your mind very, very calm. So sir always says na practice mind calm, body warm. All right. So that's the whole trick. Okay. Now I'm taking too much of time. नीचे का एक one last है which I want the people who are practicing on the mat to practice Salvasan. Okay, Salvasan or locust pose. Okay, इसका भी I'll give the chairperson one more because if you are not comfortable sitting on the mat, then you better not do this. For this, we need to be on our stomach hill. Salvasan, the locust pose for the lower back. Okay, here preferably you can keep your hands by the side, or you keep your right hand under the right thigh and left hand under the left thigh, chin on the ground. So what happened when we say in Salvasan, take the right leg up? Generally what people do is take the leg so high, take it up, take this leg, okay? Like a young person like him, he will try to take the leg so high, okay? But ये Salvasan नहीं है. In the Salvasana, your hip is supposed to be on the ground. We want you to take up only the leg. Okay. Now the leg is little down, but your legs are very, very occupied with the asana. Asana mein now the leg is participating. Agar leg ko high karo khel, this is easier. We are getting this? Okay. So those who are able to practice Salvasana, let's practice one round on your stomach. Just what you call feel. And then if there is any question you ask now, बाद में भी पूछ सकते हैं. We keep both the hands under the thigh. Okay, chin on the ground or forehead on the ground. Okay, those who are comfortable on the mat. Again, I'm saying, and I take my right leg up. Point your toes. Okay, point your toes, and we stay here for. When I'm counting, you are not stopping your breath. Your breath is normal. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come down. Take the other leg up. Okay, point your toes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hip on the ground. Only the leg full straight. If you are comfortable, take both the legs up. Point. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Gently come back. We are getting this? So Juhi, all those teachers here in the class, okay, you cannot give them pura full Salvasana. Okay, you have to give them according to the body type. Okay, and now for those who are sitting on the chair, if you are not comfortable, we want to do something for our back. Okay, last one before our pranayam. Later on pranayam cover nahi kar payenge. I'm here. Okay, I'm also sitting little away from the chair. Okay, and imagine that I'm inhaling like a Superman, and I'm moving only this portion, my chest. I'm not pushing with my belly out. I hold my hand on the side or by the side of my chair, inhaling, open the chest. Okay, it's like a cat cow. Exhale, someone punch you. Inhale, open. Exhale, someone punch you. You can keep the hand relaxed also if you're not comfortable. Let's do it together. Inhale, open the chest. Don't take the tummy out. It's the chest. You want to take it out. Exhale, someone punch you. You're getting this? Inhale, more air for the chest. Exhale, someone is punching you. When you're punching, you're relaxing your spine actually. We're getting this? Gautam, you okay? We can do this? Alright, so you can practice this 5 to 10 rounds, Gautam. Okay. So in case if you forget, try writing it down. If you forget any numbers, you forget, you just let us know ki how many times are we supposed to practice. Okay. Or maybe one fine Sunday, all the campers can practice only asanas. Okay. One Sunday we can meet and practice only asanas to revise again. Okay. And we are here. All right. Let's start little bit with the pranayam. Okay. Otherwise, you will end up with no pranayam in today's class. Okay, you can sit on the mat, you can sit on the chair, wherever you feel comfortable. All right. Chair or down. You can sit down also, okay? Anywhere you feel comfortable. Rituraj, any question for me?
No, it's fine. I'm fine.
All good? Okay, these are very simple.
The only thing is the few asanas I have not written down in the order.
No problem, no problem. I'll connect with you.
Maybe if you can message later, or I can.
We'll do. Don't worry about it. Because I have just given you 5, 6, 7 posters only.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, then once
Two
you
I have missed. The last two I have not written.
okay, no problem. The Ardha Matsyendrasana, I think you can do the Ardha Matsyendrasana, the other pose also. I'll send you both.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you.
All right, guys. So relax your shoulders. In our class, we are just one page now. I just want to know if anyone practiced Kapalbhati. Just show me the thumb. Kapalbhati. Are you aware of Kapalbhati? Okay. Anand, Ashani, have you practiced Kapalbhati? Anubhaji practices. Very nice. Gautam? No. Okay. Okay. So Kapalbhati is very good for your digestive system. Kapalbhati is basically a kriya. It's not even a pranayam. Okay. But Kapalbhati generally somewhere you Vastrika. Sometimes people call it Vastrika also. But Kapalbhati is like, you must have seen on TV people are practicing very, very, very what you call fast. Okay. It did not be like that. Okay, Kapalbhati is like just cleansing your sinus, your respiratory system, and the digestive system. But if you have again hernia, if you have very high BP, or if you have if you are wheezing from bronchitis, or you have a bronchital attack and you're wheezing at the same time, then generally you don't practice. Okay, but the practice ka plus points are, besides these limitations, the plus points are very, very good. Okay, you need not do Kapalbhati long time. 30 rounds is more than enough. Okay, so in Kapalbhati, what we generally do is, my inhalation is automatic because my exhalation is forceful. It's like, okay, I'm just taking a little again to show. Okay, come a little again with the mat. Okay, just a forceful exhalation. He's sitting very relaxed. Okay, and just forceful exhalation, Kale, and inhalation becomes automatic. Can you hear? So the speed is your call. Okay. We're getting this. So you need not move your body so much. Sometimes you might find people doing Kapalbhati like they're actually disco dancing. No. And some, according to their lung capacity, some goes very fast, some goes very slow. Don't ever listen to anybody. Okay, just be on your own, and just you are doing forceful exhalation so that your inhalation becomes automatic. That's one thing which you have to write here. Okay, so you can close your eyes, open your eyes, just practice for 30. Sometimes you might feel like coughing from here. Okay, little unease. Sometimes your head might be little like you might find. We will not do many rounds. Let's do 20, chalo. 20 to 30, how much as you can. Close your eyes, and or if you want to look at him, you can look at him and just practice. And we start. Yeah, that one. You might feel like coughing. You're getting it? So you did not do it if you are feeling uncomfortable. 10, 20, 30 rounds is okay. 30 rounds ka 3 rounds kar diya. Okay, just cleansing. It's like the cleansing. Kapal is like skull shining. You call it in Sanskrit Kapal Bhati. Okay, so it's like it's a kriya. We don't even consider it as pranayam. Okay, now we will not do many pranayams, which is like, as many of us are here having little, anybody who has high blood pressure, any pregnant lady in the class, okay, any of us will not practice any kind of pranayam jisme aapne breath ko hold karna. Okay, you will not hold the breath. There should not be any oxygen mein limitation nahi hona chahiye. We're getting this. So now the most safest pranayam is your equal breathing. इंस्टीट्यूट में हम उसको प्री प्राणायाम भी बोलते हैं, प्रिपेयरिंग आवरसेल्फ फॉर द प्राणायाम. ओके, प्राणायाम के लिए प्राणायाम. ओके, इन दिस प्राणायाम व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू इज आई विल से इनहेल 1 2. व्हेन आई से इनहेल 1 2, आप 2 बार इनहेल नहीं कर रहे हैं. ओके, आप सिर्फ एक बार इनहेल कर रहे हैं. दैट इनहेलेशन इज 2 seconds लॉन्ग. ओके, इनहेल 1 2, exhale 1 2. Barabar? 1 2 1 2. Inhale and exhale. It's not like, no, it's like, so when you're doing pranayam again, don't use this. No, okay, just very, very gentle, absolutely relax. Okay, you might sometimes find yourself doing like this. Okay, so this this neck might get hurt. Okay, so your chin is totally relaxed, always parallel to the ground when you're doing pranayam. All right. Okay, so you can keep your eyes open, you can keep your eyes closed for the first 2-3 rounds. Let's just check. Okay, how good are we? Inhale 1 2. Exhale 1 2. Inhale 1 2. Exhale 1 2. Inhale 1 2 3. Exhale 1 2 3. Shoulder relax. Inhale 1 2 3. Exhale 1 2 3. Last time. 1 2 3 4. Exhale 1 2 3 4. Come back to your normal position. Very simple. You just do this around 5 to 10, 15, 20, 30 rounds in a day. It will take hardly 2 minutes of your life. Gautam, just feel your shoulder. Now pull the shoulder down, relax the shoulder. Ha. Okay, so the shoulder tend to come up. Okay, and yes, the shoulder comes down. I'm one person who is like, what do you call? I'm always in a hurry. Okay, abhi jo मैं हूँ, and there is my cousin here in this class. Both of us, when we talk on the phone, no, our parents cannot understand because we talk very fast. We are always in a hurry. Okay, after practicing yoga, thoda bahut theek ho gaya. Okay, and I realized that my shoulders were always like this. I'm always in a hurry, काम खत्म करने के लिए. Even my husband, किधर गया? I think he's just left. Even my husband was here. He will be like, I will say कि 8 बज गए, चलो खाना खा लेते, खत्म कर लेते. So yeah, he's here. Okay, Dave. Okay, he'll be like, okay, today because of diabetes, we are like, he's there at home, and that's the reason we're keeping this camp. Okay, because we are also affected by diabetes, because we didn't take care of our parents. Now we are taking care of our parents. We are educating ourselves. We are educating you all together. Okay, so please practice whatever has been shared. All right, so they've always used to tell me ki khana khana kaam hai kya? Why do you want to finish? Okay, I want to finish, ye sab khatam karke karna hai. So I used to cook like this, I used to eat like this, I used to sleep like this. Okay, I was always in a hurry to finish. My shoulders is so tight. Aaj ke din mein bhi when I'm doing my headstand, it becomes difficult. Okay, because I want to finish the work. Mostly women, it happens to us at some point of time. But today, with practice, it has become much, much better. Same thing with pranayam. Okay, when you do pranayam, you are doing not to finish that 30 rounds. You are doing it so that it works a little bit for your system. Okay, let's do one more round for the last time in pranayam. Relax your shoulders, close your eyes, keeping everything in mind. Okay, right, Anupaji? And relax your shoulders and start. Gautam, relax your shoulders. Inhale. 1 2 3. Exhale. 1 2 3. Inhale. 1 2 3. China, relax the shoulders. Exhale. 1 2 3. Inhale. 1 2 3. Exhale. 1 2 3. 2 more rounds. 1 2 3. Exhale. 1 2 3. Last time. 1 2 3. Exhale. 1 2 3. Gently open your eyes. Now with the concept, it's a little better. Shoulder relax, everything is better. Okay, just be mindful when you are practicing. Okay, you need not practice all these acrobatic things. Okay, few simple practices throughout the day is more than enough for us. Okay, and something very funny had come in my mind, but we will share that afterwards. All right, so last, when I'm like, I just wanted to share, generally you must have heard people chanting Om. Okay, this is something which I always share with the class. Okay, Om is like A-U-M, A-U-M. Okay, you can, आप आंखें खोल के भी, I hope my instructions are coming clear to you guys and I'm not talking too fast. All right, so consciously आप part of the Om को हम practice करेंगे अभी. All right, you, so this, the two corner of your mouth, it should draw. And don't shout. No, it should come like a vibration. Okay, till your आपका पूरा जो breath खत्म ना होए ना, तब तक close your eyes and practice. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Take a deep breath. Open your eyes and practice again. Take a deep breath till the end of your understand you're pulling it off the stomach. आपके stomach नाभि अंदर जा रहा होगा. Is it going in? The navel is going in. So ओम का जो आ है, ये आपकी मणिपुर चक्रा, आपकी digestive system के लिए है. It is exercising, that sound is going to your Manipur chakra. Okay, it's working throughout the system जिसके लिए आप fight कर रहे हो आज, बराबर. So that is your self-esteem, that is your confidence chakra. Okay, when you're taking care of this chakra, your life is more confident and nothing else matters. Okay, so you get this? Okay, so my confidence, whenever it's little in doldrum, my is थोड़ा सा, you जब ज़्यादा खाना खाया हो, try chanting okay, वो रुक जाता है बीच में, the particles comes in between. Now U part of the Om, double O. Okay, now chant U. It will not go to the stomach now. U is your the circulatory system, the heart and your lungs here in the chest. Okay, the green area. Take a deep breath and get this? It doesn't go to the stomach now, right, Anand? It is there in the chest. It's the center of your creation. You're creating. Okay, my U is very clear. I don't know why. My I is not so clear. Okay, so you have to pay attention कहाँ पे आपका ये है. Now आपके heart ने create किया. Now something you have to express that. Okay, with your voice box. All right. Now the ma part of the Om is here only. That vibration goes till here. It's working on this organ. Okay, take a deep breath and you're getting this? Now when we join it's like a sitar, right? Let's practice 5 rounds. Okay. Don't shout, don't be in a hurry, don't do with me, just with your breath. Okay. last time. Uh, do you feel that it's like a tar? Okay, hence comes the music therapy, sound therapy. Okay, how much does so whenever you are chanting any mantra, or I was chanting in the beginning, okay, in Sanskrit the sound is very important. It has nothing to do with any kind of religion. Okay, it's the sound which matters a lot. All right, so whenever we sing during the savasana, it's mostly, we call it evening raga. Okay, the sound is actually making you relax. We're getting this. uh, I have exactly 2 minutes. Okay, before we take the break, because इसके बाद जो दिशा जी का ये है ना nutrition का, I'm also eagerly waiting for it, and in between you can take like maybe 2-3 minutes का break, okay, and just then you can start with the nutrition. Would you like to go for a quick savasana? Okay, so you can lie down on your back, or you can just, if you're not comfortable sitting down, wherever you are sitting, okay, you can just relax your back, or you can be just like this. Okay, if you are in savasana, absolutely relax your mind, eyes closed, palm facing the sky. You can remove your specs. So we will just decondition and we will start getting ready for the next session. All right. If there is any questions, many questions left out, don't be anxious. Everything will be answered. Okay. All relax. Okay. Absolutely relax. My whole body is relaxed. Any part of the body that was stressed during the whole practice, any kind of anxiousness, any kind of emotions coming to me right now, I'm just surrendering. And relax.
योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचां मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोत्तं प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राणजलिरान्नतोऽस्मि।
Slowly, without opening your eyes, those who are sleeping can gently turn on the right side. Sit in any comfortable posture, and all of us will rub our hands gently. Cup your eyes, open your eyes inside the palm, and gently open. And relax. Thank you, everyone. We can take a short break. Okay, Anubha ji, कोई भी question रहेगा, please feel free to call. You can call, your daughter can call. कोई भी questions रहेगा, any confusion, okay? Because I can understand that 1 hour 15 minutes is very less. Okay, so please feel free to. And we have Disha ji is already here. Okay, she's my teacher. She's the founder of Nutrient Insight Nutrients. Okay, and she's our teacher at ESA, and I just had to ask her once and she said yes, and thankfully. So all of you, Yeah. Shall we give them 3 minutes ka break?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah,
Let's take
yeah.
a break. Yes.
So you can go and drink water and anything like that. We'll meet you after maybe after 3 to 4 minutes. You can come back. If you have any questions, you can put in the chat box.
Yeah. Preeti, till then you can make me the co-host.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks.
I have someone who understands. Yeah. Yeah. Let her be the co-host.